Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sam Baker, a CE at MessageOps, the Microsoft Cloud division of Sirius. In this video recording, I'm going to be going over the licensing functionality as well as the financial snapshot that you can find on Inscape. If you're a CSP customer of ours, then you'll be using these three tiles: Microsoft licenses, assign, and account info here to find what I'm going to be showing today, and you can just find it in your Inscape portal. So first we'll click into Microsoft licenses. This, as soon as you click in here, is exactly where you can see all of the Office 365 or Microsoft 365 licenses that you've purchased to date. You can see the quantity, the individual unit price that you're paying, and the total price. As well, you can see if there are any licenses available to say that if we onboard someone, then we can just immediately assign this license to that person. Or if we're not planning on onboarding anybody, maybe we want to save the $20 on this Office 365 E3 that's sitting unused in our environment. And so we can do that as well with the tool. So you can see the full listing. If you want to increase or decrease the quantities of any of the licenses that you already have purchased, you can just click right on the license. It'll bring you to this edit license screen, and you can go up or go down as much as you might want. Agree to Microsoft's terms and conditions, and then click update, and that will update automatically. This is connecting directly into Microsoft's Graph APIs into your Microsoft admin portal. So this change is immediate, and the information populating in your admin portal will be the exact same as what's populating in here. So it is a point of truth. If you are purchasing any Azure plan or a legacy Azure subscription, then you can see these right here. But of course, we have other areas in our platform where you can get really granular information on your Azure spend. And if you're purchasing any Microsoft software like a SQL Server, then you will see that here. If you want to buy a license that you don't have yet, we saw the Office 365 E3 in this tenant, but if we want to upgrade to this Microsoft 365 E3, we can type that in here. We can decide how many licenses we want. Again, we'll get the price per unit and the total price, minimum, maximum seats, the ID number, and a brief description of the license. And so that really is the licensing tile. Pretty simple, but definitely far streamlined in terms of add changes and removals of licenses compared to Microsoft's native tools. If we jump into assign right here, we're going to see, first of all, a listing of all the licenses that we have active and available, as well any licenses you can see with this red square that we need. So we've actually over-assigned the Azure Active Directory Premium P2 licenses. We will need to buy one of those. And as well, any availability. So again, this helps us save that $20 cost on that Office 365 E3 every month. If we scroll down, we can see a listing of all the users in our AD as well as the licenses assigned to them. We see Daisy Duck right here. She is unlicensed. If I want to jump into managed licenses, I can just give her this Office 365 E3 that we still have available, and maybe this Power Automate as well. I could click save, and that would happen again automatically. And so this is a pretty simple page as well, but something very important for a lot of our clients is this account info tile here. So once I click into this, we're going to see a summary of all the spend with MessageOps from MessageOps and across Microsoft. We absolutely plan on opening this up to the other major commercial cloud providers, the AWS, the Google in the future. For now, it is Microsoft exclusive. So we can see trending cost information month over month. It looks like our spend was quite a bit higher here. It looks like we had an increased Azure spend in the months of May and June. If I jump over to Microsoft here, we can see our spend is split up: Office 365, Azure. If you have any Azure reservations, again, any SQL servers, or other softwares or any marketplace items here. But here we can get pretty granular information on the specific license SKUs that we're buying. And we can see all of this info. Again, that trending month over month cost that we have. If I jump into Azure here, we can see more of that granularity within our Azure spend, the specific meters that we are purchasing product IDs or specific SKU names, product names, and as well, like I said, that month-over-month cost. It would be very similar for Azure Reservation, but this demo tenant does not have these other three pieces. And then if you're purchasing anything from MessageOps, such as our backup solution, our Office 365 training solution, then you would see that those costs reflected under MessageOps here. Another really very convenient piece of this is that we can go back and see a full history of our invoices from the date that you were onboarded into Inscape. And so if I just want to, we saw that Azure cost in these 2 months of May and June. So why don't I pull up what an invoice looks like when you are purchasing Office 365 Azure, as well as some MessageOps technologies. And so, we can see the specific SKUs in Office 365, and then we see Azure as a single cost per month. But of course, we do have a very, very granular Azure cost review, which I'll be demonstrating in a different video. But our billing is very, very simplified as compared to a lot of other cloud billing, just by bringing in Microsoft Azure into the same bill as Office 365. As buying anything from Microsoft. So thank you. Feel free to reach out to anybody at MessageOps if you have any questions. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.